In 2004, LifeWave embarked on a remarkable journey with a vision as simple and powerful as light itself. Harnessing light with patented light technology to boost the body's natural energy, they said it couldn't be done. But they didn't know this inventor, David Schmidt, founder and CEO, who made what some said was impossible, possible. David's commitment to tap into our natural human energy at the cellular level without drugs or stimulants led to LifeWave being launched in the early 2000s. His mission? To help people take control of their well-being, their livelihood, and their longevity with life technology designed to reimagine the future of human possibility. While the science of phototherapy has been around for over 100 years, LifeWave is the first to harness light with the simplicity and effectiveness of a wearable wellness patch. With Energy Enhancer, our first product, LifeWave was proven to be a safe, non-drug technology. More energy, more stamina, more enthusiasm for life. But David didn't stop there. He redefined the science, inventing new ways to improve sleep, diminish stress, and more. Then, people in other countries heard of LifeWave's unique products, and the international growth wave began. After all, when you feel great, it shows in any language. And then, it happened. And it changed everything. It was the summer of 2018. Stem cells and the growing awareness of their ever-increasing value within the human body made headlines across the world. But for more than 10 years, David Schmidt had already been researching our body's aging process and how stem cells could help. And then he figured out how to use LifeWave technology to elevate a copper peptide naturally occurring in the body. A first-of-its-kind product was introduced to the world, the LifeWave X39 patch. Today, it has proven to be an invention that has taken the world of health and wellness by storm, and it is changing people's lives everywhere. LifeWave is growing fast as a result. David says X39 is his best invention to date. With more than 100 filed and issued worldwide patents held by David, including over 70 in the field of regenerative science, LifeWave has only scratched the surface of continued innovation. What's it all mean? If you are hearing about LifeWave for the very first time, you are standing at a crossroads. The opportunity for you to profit from our accelerating growth is now. Will you be among those who take advantage by helping people discover how great it feels to feel great again with LifeWave? This is the definition of opportunity. This is LifeWave.